Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video, we're going to see lots of interesting things that's happening from the technical side and also from the fundamental side, which is absolutely crazy. You're going to see some things today that is going to blow your mind. And guys, initially we're going to start with the technicals. It's going to, as you can clearly see right now, the chart, it happened exactly what I had predicted you. I had actually, guys, predict you very well this very good consolidation phase at $60,800. Also predict you this powerful breakout that happened on this massive symmetrical triangle, and I told you that we're gonna see a pump to the upside, but this pump has a limit, and after this, when we reach this limit, guys, we're gonna see a massive trend reversal to the downside, a massive rejection to the price of the Bitcoin, and we're gonna get to a lower. And then, guys, we're gonna move to fundamentals, and we're gonna see this guy, this Sam Bankman-Fried, which pleads not guilty to all 8 counts of US criminal charges. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you support me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, and share with your friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm, which helped me a lot, and appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you guys. I'm Chris, uploading everyday crypto videos teaching you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit that bell icon to do not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump, guys, straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin with the technical analysis. And as you can clearly see here, we had this symmetrical triangle. We had analyzed this deeply. I told you that I was expecting a big breakout here, which happened. This broke out at around $16,660 around this area, and because of that, we saw a pump. And I predict you and I warn you that this pump gonna be at $60,700, and we're gonna consolidate on this area for a couple long. And you can clearly see that we had some consolidation phase here. We had a small pullback. Because of that, double top was forming here, and then another big leg to the upside. And as you can clearly see, and if you remember, I told you that from this $60,700, the next level that we're gonna get with an impulsive move is the $16,800. So you're gonna ask me, Chris, what's going on here? How high we can see this Bitcoin price goes? Guys, I will give you the technical price target here, and I'm gonna tell you exactly my opinion, what I believe. If you remember from yesterday, I gave you this technical price target after the breakout that happened, and you're gonna see that this has technical price target at $70,900. And let me put a red box as I usually do. And guys, if you remember, I told you that we won't, of course, get that much high. I told you, if you remember, the maximum I can see Bitcoin goes here is around in the middle, which I told you is around $70,250 is the maximum I can see Bitcoin goes. So if you ask me what's gonna be the road of this current situation, it's gonna be exactly here, consolidation. Let me zoom in, because here it's gonna bleed your eyes, and clear the mess, because probably I have the most messy chart on the world YouTube. So guys, here you're gonna see here what I believe is probably gonna move with a downtrend movement, like a downtrend channel, and then we're gonna see another pump to the upside, which is gonna be for this time $16,900, close to $70,000, and we're gonna consolidate up here until probably one more spike to $70,200. This is exactly how I see this current situation will go, with some kind of uptrend movement. And you can see here that we're gonna hold very strong this very big support area, which the time that is gonna break, we're gonna flip in very bearish situation. So with simple words, this is a huge trap. Okay, with simple words, this is a very big trap. Beware of that, because if you zoom out, you're gonna see a beautiful formation too: A move, B move, C move, and right now we are here. Don't mess and get confused with those two symmetrical triangles. It's different. This is the smaller symmetrical triangle. This is a bigger symmetrical triangle, and the previous symmetrical triangle is on this area. Okay, right now this is even a bigger symmetrical triangle. And look here, we're gonna see a slightly pump to the upside. Probably we won't touch this resistance. I don't believe that we gonna touch this resistance, but let's say is a small percentage that we probably gonna touch this one. I can say 80% we won't touch it, 20% we're gonna touch it. But I don't believe, for summary, I don't believe that we're gonna see a breakout to the upside. Okay, we're gonna have a reversal and retest this major support area at around $60,588, and then we're gonna have a big leg to the downside. And if you actually put the technical price target, and also I'm gonna give you a proof why I believe that this pump won't be surpass this resistance area, you're gonna see the proof, and you're gonna understand clearly. Guys, you can see that this symmetrical triangle has a technical price target in the downside at around $13,500, which is very easy technical price target to get there. Okay, which is a very dramatic technical price target if we get there. And I believe that the worst case scenario in this world crypto market, on this very big bear market, is the $12,000. As we know from my previous videos, I believe this is the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin. I don't believe that Bitcoin is gonna drop under this level. And guys, I'm gonna right now give you a proof why I believe that we're gonna see that we won't break this massive resistance area, and we're gonna actually see a breakout of the support. Guys, if we see the RSI, you're gonna clearly see, and you justify this words that I'm telling you, that look at these guys. Here we are going to be overbought position. We don't have, if we see the pump close to $70,300, $400 resistance area, this is gonna be in the 4-hour time frame close to 80. Okay, if we get here close to 80, then look what's happening every time that we're touching this big 80 RSI points. The last time that we did that, it was here at $80,341, which was the FOMC meeting situation. Then we had this huge crash on the markets. So I believe this is the same situation, but we won't touch this $80,000 area. We're gonna touch the $70,400 area, and then we're gonna see this massive crash with a breakout that's gonna happen at $60,550 around this area here. So all these things good. Let's go to fundamentals, because here we have massive news, guys. As you can clearly see, the FTX founder and former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried plead not guilty to all 8 counts of US criminal charges on Tuesday, which is crazy. Okay, because you can clearly understand this guy is actually stated that he is not guilty for all these charges, which is a phenomenal situation. You can see his if you read here, Bankman-Fried appeared before a judge in the U.S. District Court in New York City on Tuesday with his lawyer, Mark Cohen and Kristen Everdell. Criminal charges against the 30-year-old former billionaire include wire fraud, conspiracy to commit money laundering, and conspiracy to see customer funds. Prior to the announcement, Bankman-Fried was expected to plead not guilty, which is, guys, this is crazy. This decision could turn into lengthy legal battle, and he could face up to 150 years in jail, which I believe, guys, that he deserved these years, because he used money of other persons who actually trust his platform, which is ridiculous. If he convicted on all charges, I believe, guys, his trial date has been set for October 2nd, 2023. Guys, this guy is gonna stay free for over 10 months with all this crazy shit that happened for his name. We're talking for ridiculous things, guys. Last month, the US judge released Bankman-Fried on $250 million bail bond after he was extradited to America from the Bahamas. The bail package allowed Bankman-Fried to remain under house arrest at his parents' home in Palo Alto, California. Bankman-Fried's lawyer also filed a letter to Manhattan Federal Court on Tuesday seeking reductions of 2 names of individuals who intended to help and secure his multi-million-dollar bail in attempts to protect them from the public attention. Guys, this guy probably can be a name which is gonna shock the world. That's why they redacted a name like Kevin O'Roy and names like that, names like from the US government, politicians, powerful names. This is why this guy is hidden And probably, guys, this guy is not the only guy who did those things. I believe behind this guy there are many powerful names, and in all this kind of fraud, they put him in front of the judge just to cover everything else. Okay, that's why I believe that this guy, at the end of the day, at the end of all these very, very long battles of judgments, he gonna set free, because he's not gonna be judged correctly. Okay, the judgment is gonna be a fraud, because they are behind very, very powerful persons behind this current situation and behind this man. So, as you can clearly see, also the lawyers argued there is no need for public disclosure after his parents have recent weeks become the target of intense media scrutiny, harassment, and threats. Among other things, his parents have received a steady stream of threatening correspondence, including communication expressing a desire that suffer physical harm, and etc. Actually, they getting lots of threats, guys. His parents and probably his lawyers. But this guy, at the end of the day, is gonna set free for 10 more months, which is absolutely crazy. And guys, you can see that the Matrix is doing his job here. The Andrew Tate has been in Romanian prisons for it's gonna stay there for 30 days for something he who didn't actually did it. And guys, this man who did a completely fraud millions of dollars, billions of dollars, he gonna set free for 10 months, which is crazy things. Okay, this is crazy. Guys, this is what I would like to tell you. Let me know if you enjoyed these very both scenarios of fundamental and technical side. I would like to cover everything. And also, guys, on 2023 I'm gonna have a face reveal, so this all stuff it's gonna be more easier to your eyes. I'm preparing for these things, guys. I really enjoy these fundamental things. Let me know if you enjoyed those things too, to cover those in every video too. I will be happy, because I'm enjoying doing that, fundamentals, not only technicals. And guys, this is the video for today. See you tomorrow with fresh updates about the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and of course fundamental side and some altcoins. Until my next video, guys, your boy Chris out. Bye.